Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you can easily add volume discounts or quantity breaks and other types of discounts to your Wix store. This is the best way to boost sales and increase your average order value. So by default you have such kind of product page on your Wix store, but we want to motivate customers to purchase more. And the easiest way is to give them some discount. So instead of buying one bottle, we motivate people to buy, for example, 2 bottles with 10% off, or 3 bottles and more, and get 20% off and some bonus like free shipping. So idea is really simple and really effective. For example, I will show you how it works. I choose to buy 2 bottles with discount. I see that this option is most popular. I press add to cart and I get discount for 1 bottle. I see that the price will be $54 and the total price. So I think you got the idea, and next question is how to add it to Wix website. On Wix App Market we need to find Fab Bundle app by Fab Apps and press Add to Site button. Follow all steps of installation process, be patient, it may take some time, and after installation is completed you will see the widget of the app on your product page. It's just a preview because we don't create any offers yet, so it is visible only for you. And now is the time to go to apps dashboard, and I will show you how to create your first offer. We press dashboard button, wait a few seconds and press open dashboard button. You can also always find the dashboard of the app in your main dashboard of the Wix by going to the apps and choosing a Fab Bundle. I've already made the offer. You will need just to press add offer button to create your first offer. I will edit it and show you how it works. So at the left we have all the settings, and on the right the preview of the widget. Please make sure to check the final widget, how it looks on your live store, because this one is just for preview and give you idea how it will looks. Choose some offer name. It's just for inner use, just for yourself. So when you will make multiple offers, you need to understand which you will use, edit, etc. I will use bundle volume discount name. Then choose to apply the offer to all products, to specific products, or even specific categories. I choose to apply it to specific product, this one. And let's go to offer settings. Here we can edit the offer headline, this one. The most effective name, I think, buy more and save. It clearly gives the idea, but you can be creative and add names like the deal ends till the end of the day, etc. You can choose different types of layouts. I like the classic horizontal. Then let's set up our offers. This is settings for the first offer, this one. Here we just propose to users one product and default price. For example, $100, it will be applied to your price of product. This is just a preview. We have a title like buy 1 bottle and indication about standard price here. Okay, let's go to the option 2, this one. Here we change number of products for 2. We can choose discount like percent off, some sum off. We will use in this example percent off. Let's use 10%. Here we have a title by 2 bottles, information that you will save 10%, and we added a main page, this one most popular, and select this option by default. So we will motivate customers to choose this one. And I may say that people like to switch, so you can select any option you like. We choose the most popular one. Option 3, we have here 3 products, and we will give 20% off. Here we added the page that this one has best value, and if you have some more benefits, you can also add secondary page like information about free shipping. So the idea is simple to motivate people buy more products. You can also add extra offers, delete them. The app is really flexible and user-friendly. Here we have some extra options. I will skip it, and also you can choose the colors to match your brand. For example, you can change color of pages to any color you like. Change also fonts. Okay, so it was really simple, and we are ready to apply our offer. Let's press publish or save button. In my case it's save because I edit the offer. Wait a second. We have native that offer created and saved, view in store. We can go to the main dashboard of the app. We see that our offer was created, has active status. We can edit offer. Here we will see the results, how it perform, and let's go to the store to see it live. Awesome, we have this widget on our store product page. I can choose, for example, to buy 3 bottles, add to cart, and everything works great. I see the price for the 1 bottle with discount. I have the total price, 3 items, and I can finish my purchase with this discount. I will left the link to this app in the description to this video, and I give you also the bonus, the guide about all types of discounts you can use with the app. Link will be also added below the video description. Thank you very much for watching. Please press like, and see you on the next tutorials. Bye.